do you do?
We're a domestic appliance company. We supply domestic appliances to the wider public. Also, we wholesale appliances as well.
Because at home on a Sunday, we have jarvel and kebab. And what happens is we have a big pot of both. We have a big pot of jarvel here
on top, right?
and a big dover here.
Yeah.
And on other cookers, we can't really do it. So how do you fix that? We designed it ourselves.
Yeah. That is a cool bus, man. I just went on board and there's tables up there. There's no like oyster machines or anything like that you can tap. Brings back memories of once upon a time when we used to get on these old route masters, very bumpy, and they used to have this little string that you go ding ding, you pull if you want to stop at a bus stop.
We have electronic bakur burners, coal-free, hassle-free. Just pop a little piece of the incense inside. And close the lid, and you just switch it on. And it's instant bakur, USB Type-C. Takes the hassle out of burning coal.
Check this out, guys, right? Comfort. You know, the stuff that we, wash our clothes with. They do a bakhur smelling one. SubhanAllah. You don't see this in Sainsbury's or Tesco's. Come and check this place out. Saif Health Avenue Clinic here at the XL Centre, guys. This stuff is amazing, mashallah. Right guys, Jazakallah khair for joining us. Today I have here a very young brother with me who's doing an amazing job. He just came and gave me one of these leaflets. Check this out. Alhamdulillah, I'm here today at the Desi Dole stand, and check this, right? I've had a lot of friends of mine ask me questions about where can I buy mobile, cop mobiles, right? So check this, right? I'm gonna put my mic on thing. That will definitely put your baby to sleep, put me to sleep, subhanAllah. Right guys, Alhamdulillah, here I'm at Rahmat, and it just caught my eye because these Ramadan calendars I've been after for a long time. I've got young kids and they're always eating chocolate for the wrong reasons, but this gives them a reason. How you doing, my bro?
Yeah, how you doing, brother? You right? Assalamu alaikum.
Tell us what you're doing here.
These are our Ramadan chocolate countdown calendars. We were doing them last year. These are some of the designs that we did last year, but this is our new one. Now the content behind each of these windows is done by Sarah Khan. Sarah Khan is a Islamic book author. So I'm just going to show you a sample.
Sure, yeah.
So in between one of these.
Wow, look at that. What is your favorite iftar meal? Take a picture and tag
Okay.
Ramadan chocolate. Oh,
Yeah.
that's amazing.
And then you've got other access.
Read a book about Ramadan. Check out Cube's Publishing's fantastic book collection if you haven't got one. And you can scan the QR code. This one here, I'm actually giving this away now. Are all of them different or they're the same?
They're different. Yeah,
Okay.
so the boys and the girls.
Right,
So look.
I'm not cheating here, so you might have a different one on that day. Give food or a gift along with a message about Ramadan to a neighbor or friend. They actually give you a task to do, a good deed to do.
You know,
that's what Ramadan is all about, right?
Absolutely, and
Yeah.
that's it. You know, deen teaching for our children to engage during the month of Ramadan.
Inshallah,
And also, you know, colouring activity. You've got spot the difference.
Right.
And we only use Swiss milk chocolate, yeah?
Is that the chocolate there?
So this is what the quality is. So I'm going to give you a piece.
Bismillah. Bismillah.
The name's in the game. Ramadan chocolate. So yeah, that is something.
Can I speak with my mouth full here, but you know chocolate sometimes is very, very sweet.
Yeah.
This has got that milk chocolate, subtle.
Also, we do chocolate coated dates.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
And 50p of every packet sold today will be donated to Turkey and Syria.
Subhanallah.
And then we will top it up by another 50p. So we want to do something back.
Yes.
And
You've
these
got
are the dates.
These guys, look at this. The logo here as well. MashaAllah, brother. That is
And
so
we do-
beautiful.
This is one of the dates. You can try this as well.
Right, here goes my lunch. So check this out, guys. And what is it? Pistachio on top?
Pistachio, yeah. Dark chocolate, pistachio. Yeah, covered with luxury chocolate. So that's it. So one is, so we're doing a deal today. Normally $11.99 on our website. Today we're doing one for £9, and 2 for 16, so it works about £8. But just special
one
deal
for
today.
£9, 2 for 16.
Yeah.
And how much
And
are
the
these?
calendars are 4 for £20, just a deal for Muslim Shopping Festival, or 1 for 6.
Okay. And do you know when you open up each one, what is it, like piece of chocolate behind
Piece of
each?
chocolate with different, yeah, you got the Kaaba, you got the praying hands, you got moon and star.
Oh wow.
Yeah, this is something on there.
So that's the other side of it, basically.
You can
Oh
try a
right,
bit more.
okay. So the imprint
Yeah,
of
yeah.
that chocolate.
Have a look.
Oh wow.
Take a look.
Sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Check that out, guys. I've got the moon and star. Right. So here is another piece of chocolate. Bismillah.
That is Swiss milk, creamy. So we don't do any inferior. So a lot of competition, they'll use palm oil, yeah, or vegetable oil. We only use cocoa butter, so it's real chocolate. That's
Very
in there.
creamy, very
so
nice.
it's not, we're not messing around on quality.
All right.
We feel our children deserve the quality.
Last question for you. Apart from the exhibition here, where can we buy this?
Online at ramadanchocolate.com. So check us out.
And you got Instagram as well, right?
Instagram, yeah, ramadanchocolate.com. Just Ramadan Chocolate. So check
Excellent.
us out, yeah.
Jazakallah
Thank you,
khair
brother,
for
yeah.
this.
Thank
So
you.
this is the giant journey. Play the puzzle of the prophets. May Allah be pleased with them all. And this one is basically this picture here. This is what it turns out to be like. So it starts off from Adam alayhi salam, goes through all the prophets, Shu'aib, Ayub, Ibrahim, Musa, and it comes up to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. MashaAllah, that's so beautiful. And there's only 75 pieces in here, so it's not hard to do, but this is amazing. So on this card, there's steps to prayer, okay, and these are the flashcards inside. So here, it shows you how to do ruku, and at the back, for the sisters, and how to do ruku, basically, right? MashaAllah, that is amazing. And then over here, you've got the Maghrib. What does Maghrib? What time is it? It's the time of sunset here. And the time of Maghrib prayer starts when the sun begins to set. MashaAllah. And over here you got story of different prophets. May Allah be pleased with them all. The story of Musa alayhi salam. And it shows you the journey. MashaAllah. Beautiful book for the kids to read. You can read this book to your kids going to bed. Beautiful story before bed. And then for Ramadan, you got the Ramadan activity book. And literally, look at that rise and shine. What you do when you get out of bed. Duhur, wudu splash. Match the stickers to body parts Aisha needs to wash. All right, so that one, the face. I'm not going to give the answers away. Spot the difference. Beautiful book. Yesterday I bought some stuff I couldn't carry around, so that's going to be on my shopping list.
Are we looking forward to seeing
Inshallah, yeah. What's the difference between the books?
So this one will be 5 and over. It's 5 and over, and this is 8 and over.
Are they both the same price?
Yeah, same price.
Okay, I'll go. I'll take that one afterwards. Can you do me a favor? Have you got a lot of them left?
Yeah, we should have some.
Okay, just keep one.
Anything else, put one to the
Yeah,
side.
inshallah, inshallah.
How old is it that you're looking
It's gonna be 9.
9? Yeah, so this will be good for them as well.
Yeah. Check out the learning rooms. Right, guys. So you know when I always bang on about unique things that I see at these events, this is something very unique. This book, mashallah, I stopped yesterday and I had a bit of a read. This is called Taqdir, which means fate in some languages. And this book, look at this, right? He who does not thank people does not thank Allah. Gets you thinking. Gets you thinking to it. So I'm just going to literally read one of the pages out to you. So look, in the morning, I am feeling, and then literally it says, inshallah, I'll make the next 3 days. And you kind of like write little goals, right? 3 Alhamdulillah moments. Wow. That gets you thinking, like 3 things that you should be really appreciative waking up in the morning. That's number 1, okay? Having food to eat, number 2. I'm just talking about myself here. And number 3, just being able to feel healthy. You know, not, you know. 3 things that make me smile best last few days. I'll have to come back to you. Got too many things, subhanAllah. This event. And I acted on my chosen value this week by I acted on my chosen value this week by. I don't know, I'm just a bit of a deep thinker. I'll have to really think about deep, but this is amazing, mashallah. This is written by Sister Samia, so definitely check her out. Takdir Life on Instagram. Beautiful book, mashallah. Brother, how you find this event today?
Yeah, it's really good. The amount of places, stalls, food, it's an amazing experience. I
Yeah.
haven't been here before, so quite privileged to be here.
Good, good. Are you from local around here?
No, we're not actually. I live in Buckinghamshire, so it's a bit.
Buckinghamshire.
It's a bit of a trek.
That's like towards Reading and stuff, right?
Kind of, yeah, kind of.
Wow,
Just
and you
up
came all the way
northwest.
down here?
Came all the way down here, yeah.
Wow, you here on your own or with your
No, I'm
family?
with my family. They're going to try some other food down there.
Oh,
so
okay,
I
okay.
just don't want to get the steak.
Yeah, yeah, I'm feeling it like as well, bro. Well, enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Take care, man.
Yeah, man. Here, this brother, such a humble brother. I take true inspiration from this brother. Brother, how are you doing?
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. It's great to be here. Good to see you, brother, as always. Yeah, good to see you at this event.
And how are you finding it? It's really busy
yeah,
today, right?
it's really busy. It's going to get more busy. Hope you guys got your food because it's going to get really packed
Oh, wow.
and really busy. Yeah. So this is really good event as always. Promoting small businesses. A lot of like halal products.
Yeah.
I saw like Woody to go. All right. The black seed gummies.
Oh, don't
and things
mention
like
them.
that.
Black seed gummies, right?
Yeah.
You know, black seed usually has a very kind of bitter taste, and not many people like it.
Yeah.
So there's a stall down. What they called it? Do you remember the name of them?
I think they just, I can't remember. I can't remember.
Yeah. So I had one,
Yeah.
and I was like, mad, I want that whole bottle, man. That was really nice.
Yeah.
Very Moorish, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they've also got like interesting stores like cat food, halal cat food.
I saw that one as well.
Yeah.
I saw that one.
So it's really good, all right, to have these sort of products and like you can ask questions.
Yeah.
Some people find it difficult when you're online to ask people.
Yeah.
But here you can ask.
And the good thing about it is that, products like this, you don't get in a normal shop like Sainsbury's, Tesco's, and all
Yeah.
the other supermarkets.
Yeah.
And the thing is, some people don't even have Instagram.
Yeah.
So this is a great place to come and check these products out.
That's
Actually
it.
hold them with your hand.
That's it.
And some places are doing trials as well.
But this is your day 2. How was your day yesterday?
I actually enjoyed it. I mean, the person behind the camera wasn't here with me yesterday.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's a great place to bring the family. But yesterday
Yeah.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
I mean, because I had more of my gear today, look, I'm
Yeah.
quite light. I'm dressed a
Yeah.
little bit different as well.
Yeah.
So, Alhamdulillah, it's probably one of the best events I've been to.
Okay, that's
Not
good.
putting down all the other events, but it's so much different range. Some of the ones you go to is the traditional food, perfume, but these are like out the box products. And like you said, the people are approachable, they're showcasing it, and I just find it different.
That's good.
And it's indoors as well, so we're not cold.
That's it.
So if you are going to come to Excel Centre, dress down a little bit, because yesterday I came with a hat and a
Yeah,
scarf, and
yeah.
I was baking. Bro. But as always, whenever I see this brother here, I'm just saying it from my heart.
Yeah.
It brings me a great pleasure. Do follow him on Instagram. Jazakallah khair, my brother.
Okay, brother. Nice to meet you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Okay.
Vita Coco, thank you very much for giving out the free coconut water. I absolutely love it. Guys, one of my favorite foods, or drinks rather, I'd say, for Ramadan, especially when it comes to suhoor and iftar, is coconut water. So hydrating, so fulfilling, and absolutely, I'm telling you guys, it's good for your health. Definitely check out Vita Coco in your local shops.